Let's start from the pack. The material of the pack is excellent and it's well made. There is extra space for your notebook and the material of the pack is soft. It's good enough to protect your binoculars. The size of the binoculars is medium size. Even you have a small palm, it's no problem. Very easy to hold it, open hinge, and very easy to adjust. The hosting was made of magnesium, so we can see from here, and this is rubber. Let's look through the objective lens. You can see the details of the binoculars is really good. This is the eye cups protector. Just it up the eye cups. There are two different types, 8x42 and 10x42. The field of view is 339 feet for 10x42. Of course, it's IP67, fully waterproof. When you adjust the central adjustment, it will not move the label. It's very comfortable when you hold it, and it's very easy to adjust. About the optical performance, please check another video. So this is not entry-level HD binoculars. Not only the optical performance, but also the details and the material the factory use. You probably see this kind of binoculars with different brands, but this one is Chinese brand Yuanda. The factory actually OEM for a lot of international brands, including astronomy brands. Same material, same optical performance, but if you purchase another brand, the cost could be $150 to $200 US. But this one is much cheaper.